Hello students, today we are going to learn about mail merge feature of MS Word. Here you will come to know first the utility of mail merge and how can we use mail merge. First, let's look about why should we use mail merge. The advantages of mail merge is that this feature saves our time and efforts. Producing mass mailing is much simplified, especially compared to the process of preparing individual letters or envelopes to many people. Curate a shop, and for that purpose, we have typed a letter, and the letter we want to send to our family members, relatives, and friends. So we typed the letter, that is our source document. Next is data source. In data source, we will keep the name and addresses of the recipients whom we want to send that letter. So one letter we will type and we will do mail merge and see the output documents. If we want to invite 500 people or 1000 people, so those data we will keep in the data source and that will be merged in that particular letter. So in that way 500 or 1000 letters can be taken print out or we can send via email as per the data we have provided in the data source. So let's start our journey. Start MS Word. So this is our Word document. We will click on mailing tabs. After clicking on mailing tabs, we will click on start mail merge. Look at the left side. Start mail merge. So when we click there, you see the last option is step by step mail merge wizard. So here, Wizard is the software which guide us to complete our mail merge. So click on step by step mail merge wizard. So right hand side you see the option in the task pane showing there mail merge. Select document type, letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory, whatever we want we can choose here. So here our case study is that we want to inaugurate a shop, and in that inauguration ceremony we will invite some of our friends and relatives to visit the new shop. So our topic is letter. So I am choosing here letter. Then click on next starting document. So in starting document, it is asking you use the current document, start from a template, start from existing document. So this is our current document. So here we will use from current document. Start from a template. If already a template is available in the hard disk, so you can choose that template and start from existing document means already you have typed a letter. So that letter if you want to open, so you can click here and you can click on more item and you can open. You can browse and you can find out that particular letter. So from here C drive, D drive or E drive, but we want to use our current document. So we are clicking here, use current document. Next, here step 2, select recipients. So we are clicking there. So here use an existing list. If we have already, we will click there, select from Outlook contacts or type a new list. So we don't have any list, so we are creating a new list. Type a new list. So I have clicked on create and see this is the table that came here, new address list. So here whatever the fields you think you want to provide in your letter, so you type here. So I am giving, suppose say here, the first name. Suppose Ram, then address, suppose say Sukia, then new entry. Click on new entry, second name. Suppose say Rahim, say Deep Blue Wear, new entry. Suppose next name I am typing John D'Souza. Suppose even here it's new entry. Suppose Karanjit Singh, say new entry Desh S Ritesh Ahuja, and suppose say Big Boy. So in this way, whoever the list, name of the list, one by one, you can fill up. You can choose address line 2, you can choose city, status, whatever you like, you can give there some zip code, country name, phone number, etc. are there. So I have chosen only these three fields through which I want to merge my letter. So we will click on OK. Now it will ask to save the data source. So this data source I will save in, suppose say E drive. In JB I am choosing data source, say a address addr1. Next, write your letter. So here write your letter. So we will now start the writing now. So to whoever the person, we will merge the field, we will not write any name, and here we are writing inviting you and your family to attend in our new shop at was Somawara Road, to attend ceremony from, you can type your name, whatever name one. Now next is preview your letter, but before previewing your letter we have to merge the field. So here we will click and see carefully here insert merge field. So click on insert merge field, click on first name, then give a space, then again insert merge field, click on last name because this is the last name we have chosen for the data source. We have not chosen title, so that's why I am not choosing title. So I am choosing first name because that I had filled, last name I had filled, and address line I had filled. So last name I have chosen, then again insert field, then address line 1. So this I have chosen. Then preview your letter. So see the name preview your letter to Ram Das it came. So now at the top you see the number is showing here 1. So right hand side you can click. So see 2, Rahim Khan, John D'Souza, so Karanji, so Ritesh Ahuja. So in this way, whatever the names are there, so those names will be shown. Next is complete the merge. So we will click on complete the merge. So our mail merge completed. After this, whatever you want to do, you have to do at the right side. If you want to take a printout, click on print. So print records all. You can take all the printout. You can only take printout of the current record, or you can do printout from 1 to 3 like this also. You can take the printout. This is required because when you have 1000 letters and you are unable, you don't have that much of time to take out the printout of all the 1000 letters right now. So what you can do is that you can part your work differently. So first 1 to 200, take the printout, distribute, then 200 1 to 400, like that you can do that. So this is the overall picture of mail merge. So I hope that you have understood how to do mail merge and what is the utility of mail merge. So practice this at home, so you will be finding it's very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.